Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon you. In today's tutorial we will resume our task from changing contrast and brightness of an image. To change contrast and brightness in an image, we should have an understanding of what these two terms mean. First term is contrast and second term is brightness. So let now understand first contrast. Contrast is the difference between maximum and minimum pixel intensity. Brightness. Brightness refers to the lightness or darkness of an image. To make an image brighter, we add a constant number to all the pixels present in it. Let's look at the code and the output to see the difference between contrast and brightness. In this code, we did not use any Cv2 functions to change the brightness or contrast. We used the NumPy library and a slicing concept to change the parameters. The first thing we did was define the parameters. We gave contrast a value of 3 and brightness a value of 2. The first for loop gave the image width, the second gave the image height, and the third gave the image channels. Therefore, the first loop runs width a number of times. The second loop runs height a number of times. And the last loop runs the number of color channels a number of times. If the red, green, blue image is there, then loop runs 3 times for the 3 channels. np.clip limits the values in a particular range. In the previous code, the range is 0 to 255, which is nothing but the pixel values for each channel. So, a formula is derived: specific pixel value x contrast plus brightness. Using this formula, we can change each and every pixel value, and np.clip makes sure the output value doesn't go beyond 0 to 255. Hence, the loops traverse through each and every pixel, for each and every channel, and does the transformation. Okay, thank you. Point, which is adding text to images. Cv2.parText is a function present in the Cv2 module that allows us to add text to images. The function takes these arguments: image, where you want to write the text you want to write, position of the text on the image, font type, font scale, color of the text, thickness of text, type of line used. In the code that follows, the font used is font_Hershey_simplex. Cv2 also supports many more fonts. You may check it on Google. The type of line that used in the code is Cv2.line_r. There are also many line type which is supported by Cv2 line library. Search it out on Google. You can experiment using all the different arguments and check the results. Let's look at the code and its output. Subscribe, like, and share my efforts. Thanks you for your valuable time.